Hey guys, my name is Ryan Anderson. I'm one of the litigation attorneys at Thompson Law. If you've gotten a call from us, or maybe you're thinking about having us handle one of your cases that needs to go to court, that needs to be in litigation, I'm here to answer some of the frequently asked questions we get about that process. One of the most frequent questions we get is, how long is it going to take to get my case to court? And in truth, every case is a little bit different. The majority of cases we handle settle without ever needing to go into litigation, and the cases that we put into litigation, well, most of them get settled without going all the way to a trial as well. And so it really depends on what type of case it is and what factors are involved. Some of the litigation cases settle in a month or two, and some have to go all the way down to a jury trial, which takes about a year or more. The one thing that all our litigation cases have in common is that we don't agree to take it into litigation, we don't agree to take it to court, unless we feel like it's going to be worth the time and effort, not only for us, but for you as the client. If we don't think we can get you a better outcome by going to court, we're not going to recommend that we do it. The other question we get a lot is, what's involved in the process and what do I, the client, have to do? We guide you through that step by step the whole way. Litigation cases break down into kind of a few distinct stages. One of them would be the discovery stage. When we first get started in a case, there's a written exchange of information between the sides that we guide you through and get your help with. There's often depositions where the parties to a lawsuit, maybe other witnesses involved, sit down and answer questions under oath about the case. And typically, we end up at a process called mediation at some point, 6 or 8, 9 months in, if the case isn't settled already, where we go before a neutral mediator to try to get the case resolved that way. If that doesn't work, of course, we're ready, willing, and able to take it to trial. It's what we do. The litigation process is one of those things that could be confusing and that people always have questions about. I hope I've answered some of them here for you today, but if you have any more, give us a call. We're here to help.